We want to continue our team coverage now of the suspension, and we want to go to our Mary O'Connell, who's standing by at the state attorney's office now.
And Mary, you were at the governor's press conference earlier today when he announced the suspension of Andrew Warren. What was the mood like there?
Well, at first there was shock among the crowd in the audience today at the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, but then it turned to cheers as Governor DeSantis made that announcement and that suspension official. The governor was surrounded by local law enforcement, many today who were critical of Warren's time in office. Governor DeSantis explained state attorneys have a duty to prosecute crimes as defined in Florida law, not to pick and choose which laws to enforce based on personal agenda. The governor suspended Warren for what he calls neglect of duty. He was highly critical of Warren's record and actions while serving as state attorney and told a crowd today, when you violate your oath of office and make yourself above the law, you violated your duty.
We don't elect people in one part of the state to have veto power over what the entire state decides on these important issues. The Constitution of Florida has vested the veto power in the governor, not an individual state attorney.
The governor's office reminded everyone that DeSantis has authority under Florida's Constitution to suspend state officials for reasons like neglect of duty or incompetence, and said that the governor also has authority to fill that office by appointment for the duration of the suspension. So with that, DeSantis appointed current Hillsborough County Judge Susan Lopez to serve as acting state attorney, and Lopez says she has the utmost respect for state laws and understands the important role that state attorneys play in ensuring the safety of the community. Live in downtown Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.
Mary, thank you. Tonight, Democratic leaders responding to this news. Ag Commissioner Nikki Fried, who's running for governor, sent out this statement right here, which reads in part, quote, "This was a politically motivated attack by Governor DeSantis. He's doing this because he wants to be dictator, not a governor of Florida. That's not how this works, though." She says this will backfire. The people of Florida will put an end to it come November. Meanwhile, we did just hear from Charlie Crist. He spoke briefly after Andrew Warren today. Crist also said earlier in a tweet right here, quote, "The people of Hillsborough County elected Andrew Warren twice because of his commitment to safety and justice," adding, quote, "DeSantis's decision is that of, quote, a wannabe dictator. Make no mistake, it's attack on Florida's women."